Think about two events that can never happen at the same time. While it might seem like they share no connection, they are actually linked by a specific mathematical rule. Because they cannot coexist, their paths are fixed in a way that dictates the behavior of the entire system. Take a standard deck of cards. If you draw a single card, is the event of drawing a king and the event of drawing a heart completely independent? Or are those two events mutually exclusive? Mixing up these two definitions creates a logical error that ruins predictive models. It quietly compromises the reliability of data science algorithms, often going unnoticed until the system produces an impossible result. We see this in high-stakes fields like medicine. Imagine a diagnosis algorithm that predicts a single patient is simultaneously pregnant and biologically male. This occurs because the system lacks the mathematical boundaries that define physical reality. It treats two incompatible traits as if they are unrelated variables. When an algorithm fails to distinguish between independence and mutual exclusivity, it becomes a hallucination engine, suggesting treatments for conditions that cannot exist in the same person. To correct these errors, we have to define the absolute law of independence. This is the baseline for how isolated events behave in a model. Imagine two isolated actions. You flip a coin and roll a die. The coin landing on heads tells you nothing about the die. Its probability of rolling a 6 remains unchanged. Mathematically, these events peacefully coexist, so you simply multiply their probabilities together. This multiplication rule is a powerful tool, but applying it to events that are physically incapable of happening together is what causes an algorithm to fail. Now consider a different reality. You flip a single golden coin once, but you want to achieve both heads and tails at the same time. Achieving both results simultaneously is impossible. In probability, this is a hard physical limit. This is mutual exclusivity. It acts as a blockage where one outcome pushes the other away. They cannot share the same mathematical space. Because they cannot coexist, their combined probability is 0. There is no intersection, reflecting total separation. Many beginners see these non-overlapping events and assume they are independent because they are separate. This is the foundational trap of probability theory. Confusing these non-overlapping paths with independent ones triggers the invalid math that breaks a predictive system. This reveals the paradox. If two events are mutually exclusive, they are actually highly dependent. If event A happens, you know with certainty event B has failed. The first event dictates the fate of the second, the purest form of dependency in math. Applying this logic is how we fix the medical algorithm. Since pregnant and biologically male are mutually exclusive, the system must zero out the probability of them occurring together. This prevents the model from suggesting impossible treatments. This also clarifies our card question. A card can be both a king and a heart at the same time. Because they can coexist without changing each other's frequency, they are truly independent. This principle scales up to modern technology. Large language models constantly weigh independent probabilities against mutually exclusive paths to process billions of words accurately. Identifying these boundaries helps you diagnose why complex algorithms generate invalid results. Understanding this distinction provides the structural framework for building reliable machine learning systems.